In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can back tap to turn on your iPhone torch. The back tap feature to turn on the torch on an iPhone provides significant convenience and accessibility. It allows users to quickly activate the flashlight without unlocking the phone or navigating through menus. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the accessibility option. Select on touch. On this page, navigate onto the last section of back tap. On double tap, mark on this option of torch. Whenever you double tap around the Apple logo at the back of your iPhone, the flashlight will get turned on. This enhances the user experience by making a frequently used function more readily accessible. That's how easy it is to back tap to turn on flashlight on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.